Hi, my name is Jajczyk, and I'm the head football coach and head girls golf coach at Cherokee Trail High School, where I also teach social studies. As a homeowner, we decided to use Freedom Solar to decrease our solar energy bill, as well as to increase our federal government tax refund, where we use that money to help remove popcorn from the ceilings from the 1980s that was long overdue for our house. So I purchased this house 5 years ago, and as a funny story, I actually grew up in this house with 3 younger brothers. For years, my dad tried to get me to buy this house from them as they were ready to move into the retire home, and I was adamant, there's no way I'm buying this house. I knew after me and my brothers grew up here, all the damage we had done, it was going to be a lot of work. As you can see, we have done a lot of work both inside and out, but the solar panels have been the icing on the cake. It has done nothing but improve the visibility and the marksmanship of all the work that we've done, and we couldn't be more happier with Freedom Solar and the job that they've done. In choosing Freedom Solar, the customer service has been nothing short of spectacular. The installation was very easy, very straightforward. They worked around our busy schedules. My wife is at work, I'm a teacher and a coach, so never really home. They were able to come to the house, convenient to us, work on the back, installation, everything was a breeze. I cannot tell you how excited, happy, and relieved we are that we chose Freedom Solar for our solar units and solar panels here at my house.